Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of online marketing in 2025, you're probably torn between Pipeline Pro and Clickfunnels for building your sales funnels. Today, we're breaking it down step by step to help you decide which one is the better fit for your business. Let's jump right in. First off, what's the deal with these tools? Clickfunnels has been a go-to for years. It's packed with features like drag and drop editors, email integration, and pre-built templates that make creating sales pages a breeze. It's ideal for marketers who want a one-stop shop for funnels, memberships, and even webinars. On the flip side, Pipeline Pro is the new kid on the block, especially optimized for 2025's AI-driven trends. It offers advanced automation, seamless AI content generation, and smarter analytics to predict customer behavior. If you're tech-savvy and want cutting-edge tools, this might be your winner. Now, let's compare the biggies: features, pricing, and ease of use. Clickfunnels boasts a robust ecosystem with tons of integrations, but it can feel overwhelming for beginners. Pipeline Pro, however, has a more intuitive interface with AI assistants that guide you through the process, perfect for solo entrepreneurs. When it comes to pricing, Clickfunnels starts at around $97 a month for basic plans, which includes unlimited funnels, but it adds up with add-ons. Pipeline Pro is more budget-friendly at about $49 a month, offering similar core features without the extras unless you upgrade. One downside to Pipeline Pro is its smaller community, so support might not be as robust as Clickfunnels' extensive resources and forums. So, which one reigns supreme? It depends on your needs. If you're established and value a proven track record, go with Clickfunnels. But if you're starting fresh and want affordable, AI-powered innovation, Pipeline Pro could be the game changer. In 2025, with AI on the rise, Pipeline Pro might edge ahead for forward thinkers. Don't just take my word for it. Test both with their free trials and see what clicks for you. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep building those pipelines to success.